everyone, my name is Victoria Pavlov. Welcome to my studio. Today, in this very short tutorial, I will show you how you can use content-aware fill in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, let's rock and roll. And we will start with this beautiful bunny. I love everything about this image. I love composition, I love colors and everything like that. But what if I would like to add some text? What if I would like to add some space to the right, to the left, onto the top of this document? How it's possible? I will show you how. I have only one layer, background layer, and this layer is locked. What I will do, I will click on lock icon to unlock my layer. I don't have to click twice, just click once and Photoshop will unlock the layer for you. Now, I will go to image menu and from here I will click on canvas size. Now, in canvas size panel, I will let Photoshop know what I want to do with my canvas. First of all, I will let Photoshop know at what size of my document I would like to expand the document. I would like to expand my document to the right, so I will let Photoshop know that, Photoshop, these empty cells is a space I would like to expand. And also in width, I would like to specify the final size of my document. Now I have width 2048, so I would like to expand it to 4048. So when I specified everything, I will simply click OK and Photoshop will do the job. Look at this. Yeah, Photoshop did add extra pixels to the right side of my document as I asked Photoshop to do. But this extra space has no information, no colors, no nothing, simply empty pixels. We can fix it. To do so, I will switch to rectangle marquee tool and I will select this area with empty pixels, just like that. After that, I will go and click on Edit menu and from here I will click on Content Aware Fill, just like that. And what Photoshop did, Photoshop displayed Content Aware Fill workspace for us. Here, on the right side of your screen, you will see live preview window. So you can see what Photoshop did to your document and changes will be applied after you will click OK. So basically, particularly in this image, I don't have to do anything. So what I will do, I will click OK. And just like that, Photoshop did add extra space to my document and we filled this space with background color using Content Aware Fill. So guys, this is a very short tutorial. If you would like to learn more about Content Aware Fill in Adobe Photoshop, visit my Patreon website. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.